As I mentioned before, that after we click on staff directory and choose a staff, the student will be directed to the profile of the lecturer. So from here, the lecturer can be called or chat by using Skype. But firstly, the student should have a Skype account. So if we click on call here, so there you go. The function is actually working. The function of the chat is actually working too, and feel free to test. This window indicates that the Skype application will be open. Okay, that's it for staff directory. If we can go to staff menu, they will indicate the student to enter a password, and that is why the student cannot access this page. So we go to blog. Blog is basically display a blog. Anything information relevant will be managed by the staff. Next, you can see about. About is basically about the university itself. Anything that we can add, including video and a Google map. The student also can send any relevant comment or message to the admin. If you click on thing here, something and text message is testing, and when we click send, your detail will send successfully, and it will send directly to the admin of the page. So next is about news that we just now display the news. It's the same side. And lastly is FAQ, frequently asked question. Basically, this is a user manual. Everything that the user do not know can be found in this page. So if you see here, there's an icon. This human is actually a profile icon, whereby after login or anytime the student or the owner of the account can click on my account. So basically, it will be an account that she or he can update the information of the account, including the first name, last name, phone number. They can also add a secondary email or secondary phone number, or they can just delete it. They can also add a profile picture. They click edit profile. For example, you want to click on any pictures. You can click save, and after we save the image that we uploaded, it will be synced together at this tiny icon bar on the right side of the website. And the student can also see the semester, year and course they have, and the subject that they already registered during registration. So if we click on my booking, if you remember that we already make a booking for for an event or for a class called online lecture. So this schedule also synchronized in our dashboard called my booking here. If we scroll down, you can see the class that we already booked. We can reschedule the class if we want to, choosing the different time or different day, and click next. Also, the same confirmation email will be sent to our registered email if and only if this lecturer approves our request. So we can also update it or add it to our Google Calendar. So go back to our My account. We have one more My Progress submenu here only can be displayed in the after the user click on the icon for the profile. So my progress here actually display any important dates or information regarding MITS only. By mean that this announcement only dedicated for the course of MITS. And these important dates are actually dedicated for this assignment, whereby act as a reminder. If the student click on view more for this assignment, it will direct the student to where the assignment should dedicate it. So the assignment that the student click is actually down here, which is in assignment 6. So the student can read more or click on it, and it will navigate the student to this page, and the student can download it or upload any file. So we go back to my account, we click on my progress, compare to important dates. Other than important dates and announcement, it also display the timetable as a reminder for the student what subject that they have taken and registered. If they can attend the class, the time is as stated. So that's it for student menu or student pathway. So we can log out and we can go through the system. Go through the system as an admin or staff. So if for admin or staff, we do not have to log in. As I said, the staff can directly use the features for the website directly through the menu that we call staff menu here. They can navigate through each of these features. They can also navigate to staff menu, because all staff supposed to already have this password. So click go. The password is ABCD1234 for the sake of testing. So supposedly this staff can go to the staff menu here. There we go. You can see the staff menu actually provide the staff with easy menu to manage all teaching materials, announcement and news. So there are 4 main menus here. You can click on upload announcement if the lecturer want to upload an announcement. So we can click on testing 1, staff name 1. Choose the subject code because this announcement only dedicated for that subject. And describe any detail, for example testing 1, and we can click on submit. So when we already submit, and notification will show here the content has been submitted as confirmation. This table shows that all the announcements available in the database, including the one that we just added. Okay, that is it for manual upload announcement. To upload assignment, basically it's the same features, just a little bit different. You can still add a title, testing 1. Choose the staff name, subject code. This assignment only dedicated for this subject. We can also upload images as optional, and we can upload a document, for example this one. The button submit is disabled until the process of uploading is completed. You can add any details and choose a due date for that assignment. So if we see down here is the assignment available on the database. So if we click on submit, and you can see that this the new document is successfully added to our database. So we can go to upload quiz and examination. It's the same. Choose the subject, because this quiz or examination only dedicated for that subject. You can choose either midterm quiz or any other choices. For the sake of testing, I only provide with these only 2 attributes. You can upload an image if you want to, detail, and a due date means the only date of this document be available, or maybe this due date means the date for this quiz or examination. Click on submit. We should upload an image. So for example, we click on here. Alright, so when you click submit, the content has been successfully, and our new data is being successfully updated into the database. So next we go to last one is update uni event, because the lecturer is a co-contributor, so they can update or add any university event. Click on testing. You should click on image. Should choose anyone. In progress. You can choose the date for the event, 16 May. For example, like that. And click on submit. And you see this notification appeared. It means that our information already updated in the database. Just need to scroll it up. So if we go to home page, we should see our new university event that we added just now here. That's it for staff, whereby they can access learning tool, book online, teaching materials, staff directory, about news, and the staff menu. So let's see the week's dashboard for managing calendar, booking online, mailbox, etc. So if we go to our dashboard here, you can see this Note Umira 93 is actually a lecturer, and she is a co-contributor. You go to the main menu, click on dashboard. Here we can see that this user is a co-contributor, and the features that we can use for if we are a co-contributor is a mailbox. For example, just now we can see that there's a few that we book interfaculty day by no, so we can manage this calendar. We can add new appointment, class, or block time. So for example, we click on book appointment, so we can add a new appointment here. Skype. Okay, choose staff. Services, services is actually beside here. I will show you. And create appointment. Oh, we should clean customer name. Appointment with that customer name. Click on the email of the customer, perhaps. You can create appointment. There you go.